Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we will going to identify or determine the degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, and the constant term of the given polynomial function. F of x equals negative 7x squared plus 2x raised to 5 minus 8. Okay, again, hindi siya nakaayos sa standard form. Okay, to find the degree, pipiliin lang natin kung saan dyan or alin dyan sa mga terms na yan ang may pinakamataas na exponent. And that is, pinakamataas na exponent ay 5. So, therefore, ang degree is 5. So, ang leading term natin, siya yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent. Therefore, we have 2x raised to 5. And ang leading coefficient natin, yung coefficient ng leading term natin na 2. And ang constant term, yung walang kasamang variable which is negative 8. Okay, and that's all for now. And thank